Today we're going to learn about stoichiometry.
Today's problem is propane, C3H8, combusts to form water and carbon dioxide. If 15 grams of propane are completely consumed with an excess of oxygen, what mass of water will be produced?
To solve this problem, we're going to need to follow the stoichiometry roadmap, which is the equation listed above. We're going to need to know all of the information from the original problem and put it into the equation.
Start off by writing out the equation.
The next step is to balance the chemical equation. To do this, we must have the same number of atoms on each side.
How can we use the stoichiometry roadmap to find out the grams of water?
The original problem gives us 15 grams of C3H8. Now we must find the GFM of C3H8.
Well, how do you find the GFM?
Well, now we must look at our periodic table. We see on the periodic table that hydrogen's GFM is 1.01 grams, and carbon's GFM is 12.0 grams. There are 3 carbon atoms in the molecule and 8 hydrogen atoms in the molecule. So then we add 8 hydrogens and 3 carbons, giving us a GFM of 44.11 grams. The next step is to put the moles of water over the moles of C3H8. The 1 mole on the bottom cancels out with the previous 1 mole of C3H8 on the top. The reason there are 4 moles of water is because from the original problem we can see that there is a 4 before the water, meaning there are 4 moles. The next step is to find the GFM of H2O. Hydrogen has a GFM of 1.01 and oxygen has a GFM of 15.99. Therefore, adding 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen, we get a final GFM of 18.01 grams. We put this total over 1 mole of water, so it cancels out with the 4 moles on the previous. Now all we have to do is cancel out the units and multiply and divide the numbers. So 15 divided by 44.11 times 4 times 18.01 gives us a final total of 24.5 grams of H2O. We know this is grams of H2O because the units cancel, leaving us with the only unit of grams of H2O.